Get some more Mighty Beans. It's the final day of May, and can you guys believe it, but I've been doing these videos for an entire year now. Yeah, I know, I can't believe it either. Now, May is going to be such a little haul because in June, someone I know is getting in a package collection. So I cannot wait to find out what stuff I'm going to buy from them. So for the time being, between May and June, this haul is going to be very, very short. So I guess without further ado, let's get straight into some of the package stuff, which is only 3 items as Rotor falls. I guess let's take a close look at Rotor first. This is just one to keep in package. This is the 2026 release, and I got this one from B&M for £4. That's basically it. Nothing too special about Rotor, just a spare one to keep in package. If you would like to stay up, that'll be very, very nice. Another one I got from Vinted is the Go-Go Logano and Dale Earnhardt Jr. 2-pack. Yes, I'm ever so grateful to get this one because this one is just stupid rare in the UK. And yeah, it's just very, very rare. Basically, I wanted it for the tool car as well, but I also have all the other package stuff from the Nascar line, so I might as well just continue up with it. Obviously, this one here has a slight little, I guess, defect there on the 8, if you can see, but I will be keeping this packaged as well. It comes with Go-Go Logano, which is the same as his other 2-pack version. So yeah, that was about £30 on Vinted, so I'm very grateful to get this 2-pack. Very, very cool. Obviously says made in Vietnam there in the top corner, which is really weird to see actually. Yep, there is that 2-pack, and one I got from Vinted, because I believe you can only find this guy in Asda in the UK. I think Smith's Toys is getting in this case as well, but I paid about £12 for this, and this is the only way you could get the card. This is the clip strip package version of Hot Rod Smokey, and it does label him correctly as Hot Rod Smokey. That is basically it. It's a little bit like the Kevin Shiftwright release, the Sage Vanderspin release, just like with the clipstick packaging where they've done something unique to them. So yep, there is that, and obviously there is the back. It does say Hot Rod Smokey as well, so that is very interesting. But yeah, apart from that, unfortunately guys, that is all the package stuff I've gotten from May, and it's already the 12th. Now let's go on to the open stuff, which is kind of depressing as well. So when I said the open stuff is very depressing, like I said, it is very depressing. So I've only managed to get in about non-official diecast releases out of the package, 3 factory customs and 2 Hydra wheels. There is another item that I will show you in a few minutes here, because it is just a little bit too big to show you guys. But yeah, let's start off with the first one I got, and this is the Murray Clutchburn factory custom I got from Vinted. He came with his hauler, but I wanted him because his spoiler is a different colour, if you know what the diecast of Murray looks like. Also, he doesn't have painted rims there. As you can see, they are black instead of his regular tealish green. So there is that. Obviously, that is the only real difference, but nonetheless a new factory custom, as you can see right at the base there. So there is that. I did also get this one from Vinted as well. This is the pink metallic Lightning McQueen with the green wheels, but with the Cars 1 sponsors. If you guys know, I had the Cars 3 one. You guys could check that video out on my channel. That was one of the coolest factory customs they've ever done, but they actually did 2 and I didn't even realise. So I went out and bought this one. You can see it has the Cars 1 sponsors. Yeah, Rookie Racing stripe there. So very, very interesting. And it does say, oh, flip it around again, model car made in China. That's how you know it's a fake. Another fake I actually managed to get was this Gold Cruising Lightning McQueen here. Just stupid rare again for a factory custom. He looks very, very similar to his, 1/55 scale diecast counterpart. You guys could check that out on my channel or on my Instagram page. I've probably already done a shot on this one by the time this video goes up. Yep, there's a look at the base. Again, not doing a video on this guy, but obviously because I needed him, I got him. An eBay score, the only eBay score for the time being is this Dinoco Hydra Wheels Lightning McQueen, which I've done a little bit of work to. I ripped off a Dinoco sticker from a different Dinoco McQueen. Still need to do some extra work here, but you know, the complete Hydro Wheels video is already out, excluding Colossus. But if you wanted to see, there is that. I paid about £8 for him. I know it's a little bit much for a damaged Hydro Wheel, but to complete the collection, for the time being, here's just a stand-in. But one of my best scores in ages. You know who you are once again. Thanks again to the vintage seller. Yeah, Hydro Wheels DJ. I did say in my review or video of my entire Hydro Wheels collection that DJ was one of the hardest to get, and I finally managed to get him. And yeah, I really do like those green wheels there. You can see the back, just a whole weird looking Hydro Wheel. The only tuner they ever done. I paid 30 quid for this guy in vintage, like I said in the video. They wanted it for like, what, 23, 25 pound? Along the lines, I said, look, I'll pay 30, because they went out of their way to help me find this Hydro Wheels DJ. So yeah, there is that. I'm going to lift the camera up now, because there is two actual items. One of which is this, sort of technically new in the package, so I should have included it in the last segment. But we got here the Vinyl Motion Mickey Ears Piston Cup Lightning McQueen sort of thing, King Strip Weathers. I have no idea what these are. I did do a video on the Lightning and Mater about a year ago now. This would have cost $12.95 in the US, but I paid £2 for this guy, and I really do like this box. I mean, it's got the OS Radiator Springs racers there, got the Ferris wheel, and a little bow which you can pause and read if you wish to do so. Los Angeles. Just awesome stuff. And another score I got from Vinted, which is this Mighty Beans Lightning McQueen. I'm gonna obviously have to show you guys this first, like this. So, yep, this is the smaller version. You can see it is number one Lightning McQueen Mighty Bean. This is the bigger version, but when we take it off the thing, if I could do that one-handed or two hands, we can see there it comes with some other extra Mighty Beans as well. So yeah, that is really, really cool. Oh, look how cool that is, guys. Feel free to screenshot. Yep, obviously on the top it reads 95, and the inside it is hollow. But it came with 5 Mighty Beans. We've got Lightning McQueen, Race Team Mater with weapons, I believe that is. We've got Luigi, Snotwad here. Let's try and take off Snotwad. Yeah, look at that expression of Snotwad. That is freaking awesome. Yep, we've got Flo as well, as you can see there. This whole thing cost me £5 on Vinted. What an epic score. Yeah, hopefully more in the future. I will get some more Mighty Beans. He falls on the floor. I'll pick that up in a few minutes. But yeah, that is everything for the 12th of May. Now I'll see you guys in a few weeks' time for the second part of this whole video. We are back once again, guys, and it is the 29th of May, which is the Friday before I go away. So let's just get straight into this second part of the package stuff. There isn't going to be much here, as I did explain in the first part, but let's just start off with some of the scores I got. So this here is another lead paint Sarge that I got from eBay. I paid about £12 for this. I was like, oh, that's got to be the lead paint Sarge version. And yep, correct, I was. You can even tell by the base here on the bottom of the packaging. If you zoom in here, 7EA. That's how you can tell this is the packaged lead paint Sarge. I will be opening this up for a video, so stay tuned for that. Really, really cool. Yeah. And obviously we can see here the back of the packaging. Just nothing too interesting there. Did get some scores off Vinted. We have the 2026 releases of the Nascar cars. As you can see here, metallic Lightning McQueen. With the updated Mattel logo here. Really interesting. Obviously it doesn't have the new for 2024 logo there in the corner. So there is that. You can see just Lightning McQueen on the back of the packaging. To still say made in Vietnam there. I also did get Go-Go Logano. This is now like my what? Got the 2-pack version, the other 2-pack version. Being my 5th metallic Go-Go now. All in different packages, which is really weird. But yep, this is the 2026 release because the updated Mattel logo. And no for 2024 Snipe there in the corner. And obviously, like I said, I got these off Vinted for about, what, £40 in total. Another score I got was this Chick Hicks here, which is actually, you know, whenever you see a Chick Hicks in 2026 packaging, you just got to pick it up at this point because of how rare he's going to be. So there he is, just glossing over this really quickly. And there is one other score that I got in the package. We can see here the 20th anniversary Radio Springs 5-pack from Amazon. I've already done a video on this, so make sure you check that one out. Obviously, we've got Lightning McQueen, Sally, Sarge, Mater, and Ramon here. This is about £37 on Amazon. Yep, if you want to check out my video, feel free to do so. I'm already losing my voice. It's been 2 minutes. But that is it for the package stuff. Now, on to the open stuff. I think it's safe to say that I got a little obsession with wood cars recently. Yep, you can see that I got quite a few here. And I guess without further ado, let's get straight into the second part of the open stuff. There is a lot more here than there was in the first segment. So let's just get straight into it. Here we have Wood and the King, which I got from Vinted. A majority of these all came from the same seller. Really do like this one. They are very light, but these are the original Toys R Us releases. So really cool. I really do like the King. So there is a look at the King. We have Chick Hicks here. Again, he doesn't have yellow wheels for some reason. But, you know, I wanted the 3 original Cars 1 piston cut bases. So I did get that. Although there is a Lightning McQueen. But this is just in metallic. And I thought, this looks really cool. Like, Lightning McQueen in metallic, in wood. You don't see this much often. It's exactly, like, how cool is that? And also, he came with this Mater here. These two look together, they're looking at each other. And not only that, Mater's hook actually, like, goes into the little back here and actually works. So, Toys R Us were on par with their game back before Mattel even updated Mater with the hook. I'm going to have a sip of water because I feel like I've got a cold coming on. There we go. Yep, I also managed to get these as well from Vinted. Same seller as the King and Chick Hicks. We have 2 tuners here. Tuners, Boost and Wingo. Really cool. I love these ones so much. Wingo has this really weird big code here. Yep, we can see there is the back, Boost and Wingo. Really do like these ones. They are really cool, actually. And then we got 2 different versions of Fabulous Hudson Hornet. One with red wheels, one with, you know, Lightyear grey wheels. So yeah, that is really interesting. You can see here the red wheels. And obviously the back. Very interesting stuff. And you can see the bases here. So there is a close look at the wood stuff. Now let's take a closer look at some of the other stuff that I managed to get. Here is a factory custom dock that goes from yellow to green. There is no other dock that actually does this. Yeah, you could get this on AliExpress. You could tell it's a fake because, I mean, it says made in Vietnam. There is no actual other base code as well. So yeah, this is a weird factory custom, one of the newer ones. Maybe I will do a video, but it does depend because sometimes whenever I review colour changes, they tend to just not work on me. So there is that. I also did get the 2026 Vietnam dock out of the packaging. You can see here, made in Vietnam. And obviously the 2026 base code. So there is a look at that dock from blue to black, black to blue. Now on to a bunch of factory customs. We have this Sally here, Police Sally, which is actually a replacement for my older one because she is in terrible condition. So there is that. Obviously you can see there the base. Doesn't even say Mattel, etc. Let's move those docks along. Sip of water. Next up, we got Damage the King as a factory custom. Yep, they are finally doing damage cars, so maybe we'll get a race damage Bruce Springs as a factory custom. Maybe. But yeah, here is Damage the King. He was like £5, so not too bad. He does roll very well too. And you can see the base, nothing at all. No base markings whatsoever. So yeah, this is definitely a fake. Some Ramones now. We got this green Ramone here. Obviously, you can see the green is a lot more vibrant than the official release. You can see here the base as well. see the side. Really interesting for that green Ramon. We also have a yellow Ramon factory custom. You can see the base if you are interested. Is that upside down? Yeah, let's flip it this way. Nope, it was the right way. Ramon and Sally confuse me so much. But yep, you can see here the base, etc. Made in China. Yep, this is just a factory custom yellow Ramon. We have a Lightning Ramon factory custom. This is the second one I now have. As you can see here, really interesting. Obviously, you can tell I'm trying not to speak too much because I've got a cold on the way. Yep, there is the base for that one. We do have a purple Ramon now as well. You can see here, different expression to the official release. And there's the base if you're interested. I did also get this Ramon, but this Ramon seems to have a base code, but it is completely different to the official release. So you can see here, looks very different, low and slow. Oh yeah, I've definitely got a cold coming on, for sure. Another score that I got was this little figurine, Lightning McQueen here. You can see this is from the Disney 100 series, because I got the bag to go with it, as you can see here. A little special bag, Disney 100. I believe that would say Lightning McQueen. And then it's just clear on the back. But it also comes with this little face reveal. Yeah, little reflective base here. So you could display him like so. Got 95 there as well. Just looks really cool. I love this one. I also did get a whole set of the 20th anniversary cards to keep out of packaging, as you can see here. My voice is gone. I have definitely got a cold. You can see here the Mater. Now for the Sally. Oh, my voice came back. Really do like the Sally actually with the yellow wheels. We got Sarge. With the 20th anniversary on the wheel back there. And we also got Ramon as well. Really cool Ramon. And there is one more score I wanted to show you guys before I completely forget. That is, oh, if I could show you guys, the Race to Celebrate Lightning McQueen, which I've already done a video on. Yeah, that is pretty much everything I've gotten for the whole of May. I'm going to rest now, get better. Sorry if you had to sit with that, guys, because my voice is gone. I'll see you in the next video, guys, which should be next week. Peace, everybody.